Healthcare providers must prepare now for post-COVID operations. This new epidemic has forced healthcare providers to think in new and more creative ways compared to how they were doing business before the pandemic. Healthcare providers had to learn quickly how to shift and change to keep up with the limitations that were created by the COVID-19. With the limitations of not being able to see patients in person, healthcare providers had to evolve and learn how to adapt and expand on things like telemedicine, texting, chat, and other means of remote communication. COVID-19 urges healthcare providers to understand the necessity and the value of technology within the healthcare practice. This crisis introduced a new age of healthcare and launched a new norm for practices. The question is, are healthcare practices being more strategic and seeing the long-term value of what continued IT is meant for the care of their patients? We believe that after this pandemic has passed, there's going to be a large influx of inpatient visits and healthcare demands. Are they going to be prepared? Are they putting the foundations now that are necessary for them to offer the new type of care that patients are going to need once the pandemic is over? Let's think this through. Even though we've started to get comfortable with doing virtual healthcare, this will not replace the need for in-person interaction with providers. Patients are longing to see healthcare providers due to lockdowns and prioritizations during the pandemic. Will most providers be prepared or equipped to care for all the patients and still maintain the quality of customer service needed to impress the returning patients? Patients will look for high quality providers because we now more sensitive to the service and dependability of the healthcare providers. What most healthcare providers should be focusing on now is how to improve patient care and services and communication. This should not be a short-term plan, but a long-term strategy. Information technology is a key component of a healthcare practice. Strengthening healthcare foundation also means using better tools to diagnose and care for patients, and technology is a big part of it. Information technology should enhance the patient experience. So now more than ever, healthcare providers should be looking to find trained professional IT advisors that can help adopt a plan to safeguard their practice for the future. Contact us for health IT solutions. Thank you.